Hi, good day all. Today I'm talking to you from deep in the nature. It's great to be in the nature, and if you can make efforts to retreat yourself to the nature every twice in a week, especially in the weekends, it'll be great. Now, what's happening in the nature is the healing presence happens. The healing presence is on, and you can actually feel the healing is happening on you from the bottom to the top. So the well-being is taken care, and you'll increase and strengthen your immune system. That's the great thing that's happening, and that will happen when you are in the nature. The other very important thing is if you can hug a tree just like that, it'll be good because you will activate your heart center chakra, which is called the Anahata, and just hold on to the tree for the period about 5 to 10 minutes. You can actually feel the peace within. You'll be in silence for a period of time. The healing will take place. It's wonderful. And then after that, just give a kiss to the tree, the gratitude. That's a great way of thanking them. So it'll be great. I'll encourage you all to come to the nature because this is the core of you. This is the reality. This is the real. Thank you for watching.